Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Live Well with Coach P. And yes, I am Coach P, aka Felicia. And today we're going to be leveling up our plant-based milk. We're going to be making calcium-rich plant-based milk. There's a secret ingredient that I'm going to show you guys on the inside. See you there. For this recipe, you're going to need nuts or seeds, or both like what I have in this video. You're going to want to soak them overnight and rinse them so you can have them ready for the next day. You're also going to need room temperature water. You're also going to need our secret ingredient today, which is calcium carbonate. So what is calcium carbonate? It's a chemical compound formed by three main elements: carbon, oxygen, and calcium. It's a common substance found in rocks in all parts of the world, but most commonly in limestones. And it's also the main component of the shells of marine organisms, snails, coal balls, pearls, and eggshells. For more information, guys, click the links below to read up more on calcium carbonate and its benefits. Now back to our video. You're going to take all your nuts and you're going to put them in your blender and you're going to blend until they are liquefied. Once your milk is liquefied, you're going to need a nut milk bag, a cheesecloth, or fresh clean pair of stockings you would have rinsed, and of course a container or pitcher to strain the milk to separate the solids from the liquids. So you're going to go ahead now, guys, and squeeze till all of the liquid is out of the peth. Now don't throw away that peth, guys. You can add it to shakes, you can add it to pancakes, you can add it to smoothies, you can add it to anything. And look at that, guys. But we're still not done yet. All right, we have another step. We have to add it back to the blender again. So you're going to pour it back into your blender. Obviously rinse it so you don't have any bits and pieces in there. And you're going to go ahead and add that secret ingredient, that calcium carbonate. According to the instructions, use a half a teaspoon. So I just go ahead and I use half a teaspoon inside of there. And then I blend it for at least, a good 15 seconds or so, because you just want it to mix together. So once you're finished blending, guys, you can go ahead and pour it in your favorite cup or jar, whatever you want to use. Drink it up with a straw and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do me a favor, click the subscribe button and a notification bell so that you can know firsthand when a new video is released. Every Saturday, I release a new video surrounding health and wellness. Also, comment below, guys, and let me know if you're going to be making this recipe, as well as if there are any ideas or topics you guys want me to discuss. See you next week.